Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. May I request you to hello? Can you hear me? Hello. Yeah. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I think it's not. It's working. Hello. I think it's good. Hello.
He's on
Yeah,
number
good
one.
morning,
He's on
ladies
number
and
one.
gentlemen. Uh, my name is Nitin Arora. I'm the project manager of United Nations Climate Change Global Innovation Hub. On behalf of Mr. Masamba Thioe, the project lead of UGIH and the entire UGIH team, I would like to extend my warm welcome to all of you here at UGIH Pavilion at COP28 in Dubai. I like to take this opportunity to
Red. Why is that red?
give my thanks, extend my thanks to all our partners who have supported the work of UGIH in last years. Um, Without your support, we would not have achieved the recognition which we have achieved in UGIH. So I would like to say big thanks to all of you to support the work of UGIH. I'm happy to inform you that we have successfully completed 3 systemic innovation workshops of UGIH this year. And the last one is scheduled on 5th of December at Future Mobility Hub here in Dubai. And you all might have received the invitation for attending this event on 5th of December. So I'm looking forward to meeting you there. Um, I'm also looking forward to meeting you all here in the next 2 weeks to discuss how we can advance the agenda of UGIH, um, following the guidance and the vision which Masamba has outlined for UGIH. Now, before I give the floor to Masamba for making his vision, what he has outlined for the functioning of UGIH, we would like to show you a small video which will showcase the guiding principles on which UGIH functions. So my request the colleagues to display the video, please. There is no sound. Can somebody help with the sound, please? I'm sorry, it's the first session. I hope you understand. Okay, maybe the video can be shown later. I will now request Mr. Masamba Thioe, the project lead of UGIH, to come on the podium and guide us with his vision for UGIH. Masamba, please.
Thank you. Thank you, Nitin. And I would like to join Nitin in welcoming you warmly to this UN Climate Change Global Innovation Hub dialogue. These dialogues are very important for us because they are meant to generate and produce knowledge, both cognitive knowledge and emotional competence that can inspire action on the ground. It's not just about gathering and talking, but this is about creating elements that can inform and um, actually lead to concrete action on the ground. So my name is Masamba Choi. I'm leading the UN Climate Change Global Innovation Hub, an initiative launched by the UNFCCC Secretariat at COP26 in Glasgow. So it means that now we are 2 years old. It's a one-fold vision. How do we mobilize innovation to serve the many people and the planet? It's a twofold mission. How can we support the acceleration and the upscale deployment of existing solution? And when I'm saying solution, I do not mean only technology solution. It's also about innovative policy instrument, innovative financial instrument, innovative business model, innovative product from the culture and creative industry, and innovative cooperative approach, new pattern of working together. All these things need to be used in an integrated manner, and this is what we call solution. So the second aspect of the twofold mission is the acceleration in developing the missing solution. So we accelerate the deployment and we upscale the deployment of existing solution. And the missing one, those that do not exist yet, we accelerate their development. And we have a threefold core value. They are articulated into three key concepts: caring, sharing, and daring. First, caring. We consider that if you want to innovate for climate and sustainability, we need to genuinely care for the needs and the well-being of many people and the planet. And the good news is that by doing so, we expand the space for innovation. We do not focus at the sectoral level, but we go back to the core human needs and we ask ourselves how innovation can help satisfy these core human needs while being aligned with the climate and sustainability goal. Just to illustrate, I would like to give a concrete example. Most of the time, when we are dealing with addressing the climate and sustainability crisis, we focus at the sectoral level. For example, I'm not saying that it should not be done, it has to be done. But we need to be mindful that it's not enough. So for example, address the issue of transportation, most of the time the focus will be on how do we shift from combustion car to electric vehicle, which is something good, it needs to be done. We need to be mindful that this is not enough. And the question we should ask ourselves is why car in the first place? Why do we need car? And we need car because we would like to be mobile. The next question is, can innovation be mobilized for the satisfaction of that mobility needs without car? Then we can see that by using the innovative solution from space like GIS, GPS, and remote sensing, we can actually do land use planning and selection of site so that in a city, we can build what we call a 15-minute city. Building a city that is more complete, more compact, so that most of the product and services are available biking or walking distance. If you do that, we'll need less car. So we can even go one step further and ask ourselves, why do we need mobility? Because mobility itself is not a purpose, it's a means. What is the purpose behind mobility? It's access to product and services. This is the core human need. We want to be able to access product and services. So the question is, can we access product and services without being mobile? It does not mean that we should not be mobile. What it means is it should not be a constraint. We should not be in the obligation to be mobile to get product and services. So then we can say we can use, for example, some of the digital technology to access product and services without being mobile. Telecommuting, replace trip to office. Tele-education, to replace trip to school. And many other type of application. The point I'm trying to make here is that the more we go back to the core human need, the more we have transformation that are more impactful. And this is precisely what the Global Innovation Hub is willing to bring, the most disruptive and transformative type of change. The second aspect of this three core value is sharing. What we want is to promote really the mindset of sharing, the solution provider mindset. It's not about developing something to solve my own problem. It's more about developing solutions that also others can use to solve their problem. It's about sharing knowledge. And this is why the Global Innovation Hub is supporting open source. We should not hide knowledge behind post wall. It's also about sharing experience. And then the third aspect of this caring, sharing, daring is about being bold when setting goal for climate and sustainability. The daring aspect is extremely important because most of the time we are setting our goal and our target based on our perception of what is possible, not based on what is needed. And that's a problem because this is precisely the gap between what is possible and what is needed, which is the key driver for innovation. If you want to innovate, we have to focus on what is needed and not what is currently possible. If we do not do it, we are stuck in a vicious circle where those that are setting goal and target will say, I cannot be ambitious because I do not have the solution and I want to be credible and say what are the solution I will use. And those that are developing solution will not do it. They will not develop the transformative solution because they will say there is no demand and we are stuck in a vicious circle. So the Global Innovation Hub would like to contribute in